Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw envy from inside out too. First we're going to start with our face on a diagonal, and for our right eye we're going to draw in a curved line arching up in the center from left to right. We're going to leave a gap in the center, moving over on the left hand side now and curving this line across. On the top now, let's draw in a nice big oval starting on the left hand side, curving this line around and then down. And then moving over to the left eye on the inside, again, we're just going to curve this line around and then in. Moving in from the bottom now, we're going to curve this line around and then up. And then we'll do the same thing over on the left-hand side. Let's move up again, replicating that, drawing in a nice big half circle. And we'll do the same thing over on the left-hand side. Now let's draw in the highlights in the eyes. So on the top right-hand side, we're going to draw in a small circle. And then moving over on the left eye, we'll do the same thing in the top right-hand side. Now moving in, we're going to draw in a diamond. So we're going to curve this line up on either side, joining that at a point. And we'll do the same thing over on the left-hand side as well. And now on the bottom, we're going to curve this line down, connecting that together at a point. Now in the center for the mouth, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. And now we're going to curve this line around on the bottom and then back up on the right. For the teeth, we're going to draw in a small letter U in the center. And now for the tongue, we're just going to curve this line up and then back down on the right. Let's draw in the eyebrows now. So on the top, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then we'll do the same thing on the left, drawing that so it's on a diagonal. Now on the top, we're going to curve this line from left to right, closing that off. And now let's frame in the face. So coming across from the eye on the right-hand side, let's curve this line around and then in towards the middle. And now let's come across on a diagonal, and on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line around, back in, blending that together on the bottom. Closing off the side of the face now on the left-hand side, we're going to arch this line around and then in towards the middle. And then we'll do the same thing on the right, curving this up and then back in on the top. Let's draw in the hair now. So on the right-hand side, in the center, we're going to curve this line over at a point. And then we'll do the same thing from the middle, curving that out on the left. Now from that point, we're going to curve this line down towards the bottom on both sides. On the top now, we're going to arch this line up, down. We'll do the same thing on the left, up, and then back down. Continuing on the right-hand side with the pattern of the hair, we're going to curve this line out, in. Again, curving that further out, in, and down towards the right-hand side. Let's flip over on the left-hand side now, curving this out, and then in. And then again on the left-hand side, further out, in, and then back out towards the left-hand side. And now we're gonna bring the hair in towards the face. So we're gonna curve this line in on both sides. We're going to draw in an upside down letter V. Let's bring in another diagonal line that comes in towards the middle. And then we're going to bring that back up and then down. And now again from here, we're just going to bring that curved diagonal line in towards our chin. And now let's draw on the hair clip. So on both sides, we're going to curve this line out. And then from that point on the side, we're going to curve this line back in. Now in the center, we're going to curve this line down. And then again, we're just going to draw this at a point, creating a small triangle in the middle. Now let's draw in the rest of the body. So coming down over on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line down. And then from the back, we're just going to curve this line out towards the left. Now from here for the arm, we're going to arch this line around and then up. And then we're going to curve this line up towards the top. And then from that point, curving this back down. Let's draw in a diagonal line here, joining that together. And now in the middle, let's draw in our hand. So we're going to draw in a curved line in the center. To the left of this, we're going to curve this line around and in towards the wrist. And then to the right, we're going to curve this back around and then in. For the hand behind now, we're going to curve this line down, moving up, replicating that, and then again one more time. Now from here, we're going to curve this line in for the collar. And then on the right hand side for the arm, we're just going to curve this line back up and then drawing in a straight line that comes up towards the top. Let's draw on the rest of the dress now. So we're going to curve this line around and then out. And now from here, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. Let's draw in some circles now. So on the top, we're going to draw in a circle. Moving down on the bottom, we're going to draw in a half circle. And then over on the left-hand side, we'll replicate that. Towards the middle now, we're going to draw in another circle. Moving up, let's replicate that. And then down on the right-hand side. Underneath, let's draw in a half circle. We'll do the same thing over on the top. Moving over on the left-hand side. And then in the corner. And then again on the bottom right. And then one more time to the side. And now let's draw in our legs. So on the left-hand side, on the inside, we're going to bring two straight lines that come down. And then we're going to draw in a small curved line from left to right. Let's come behind for the shoe, curving this line down. On the inside, arching this line down. And then on the inside, we're going to curve this line around and then in. Let's close this off on the bottom now with a curved line from left to right. And then moving up again one more time. Let's replicate that. For our left leg now, we're going to draw two diagonal lines that come out towards the left-hand side. And then from here, we're going to draw in a curved line from top to bottom. On the back, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then on the inside, we're going to curve this line back in. Now from here, we're going to arch this line around and then back up in the corner. And that is it. That's how you draw envy from Inside Out 2. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.